Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to generate the barcode of a certain string within ch.net. Okay, so the compiler which we are using is the Microsoft Visual Studio. So we need to create a new project, go to Windows Forms application. You can write the name of the project here and click OK. Now our working window is here and we will take our push button and one picture box. So we will take one push button and one picture box. Okay, so where is the picture box? Here it is. Okay, so we will take it out like this, and this is our button. We will make it like this, and our picture box is this one. Now we will double click on our push button. It will lead us to the callback of that particular push button. Now we will write. Okay, now one more thing, that you need certain .dll file for it. Okay, it is dynamic link library. So here we will write using iron barcode, using iron barcode, and here you can see that it is showing us error. Why it is so? Because we did not edit any what's called as the DLL. So we will go right click on the project, go to add reference, and here we have iron barcode.dll, and it is not in your PC. Why it is so? Because you have to download it from the Google. Again, I am repeating that you have to download it from the Google, and then you need to click on browse, and then you need to click here where you have downloaded it, and then add. Okay, as I have already did this thing. So we will press OK, and now you can see that our error string has gone. Okay, the red color line has gone. So here now we will write generated barcode. This is our class generated barcode, and then I will write MBC. This is the what's called as the object of that particular class. Okay, is equal to iron barcode dot barcode writer dot iron barcode dot barcode writer. Okay, dot barcode writer. Okay, so we can see iron barcode dot barcode writer dot create barcode dot create barcode, and then we will put certain brackets, double brackets, and we will write here the string which needs to be like converted to the barcode. So we have entered the string as good work. Okay, these are all these classes and subclasses. Like this function, the create barcode, it seems to be a function which belongs to this class, and then this barcode writer belongs to iron barcode library. Okay, so good work comma barcode writer encoding comma barcode writer encoding. Okay, barcode writer encoding dot code 128 dot code 128. This is code standard. Okay, this is the protocol. Encoding procedure or encoding protocol is code 128. That is maybe a 128 bits. I'm not sure about it, but this good work. Okay, whatsoever you want to convert it into the barcode, you need to write here. If you want good luck, it will be converted to the barcodes. Okay, now all these things will be passed to this MBC, Okay, now we will write mbc dot save is png. Okay, png means that it will be an image. Okay, it will be an image, save as image. But where it used to be saved? C colon dash dash C users. Okay, then dcs slash. This is my link of the desktop. Okay, maybe your link must be changed. Okay, this one is mine link, yours one will be changed. So you should have to go to like here, like this, click any file, go to properties and copy this location, then write its name and dot whatsoever, dot png or anything. Okay, so we need to copy it as well. Okay, so C users dcs desktop. Okay, we will paste it here and made the slash as double slash. Okay, double slash. Okay, and here we will write any name like u.png. Okay, u.png. So u is the name of our file and png is the extension. So this is our, okay, now when we will run it out, we will see that either it has been created or not. Okay, so it has been created. Now it has been created. Okay, so now we will again go to our code. We will write good work is always better, always better. Okay, so we have to we have like increased our what's called as the string. Okay, so now we will put this barcode to what's called as the picture box. So we will say picture box 1 dot image is equal to new bitmap, and here the same thing. Let me explain you this thing as well. Okay, what is this thing? New bitmap. Okay, now dot image. Okay, picture box 1 dot image is the property of picture box 1, and which image is needed to be on the picture box? It is this image on this location. Okay, so now we will run it out and we will right now this is our barcode for our string. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can generate barcode with the help of simple ch.net coding. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.